Good morning. How are you today? I'm excellent, and I hope you are too. Today, I'm just going to share a little tip on using iOS. I use my iPhone and my iPad a lot. I type with my thumb or my fingers on the on-screen keyboard, and I make mistakes. So how do you fix those mistakes easily? Here's a trick that might help you. This is some text I typed into an Apple Notes note. And you can see I made some mistakes in it, some typos, and it did some correction that it shouldn't have, things like that. So I need to go back and I need to correct this now. Note that I have a mouse here because I'm displaying this on my computer, but the mouse isn't on the phone. It's just being displayed here. This is the insertion point right here. This is where I just finished typing, my keypad down at the bottom. And let's take this Rhino, that was supposed to be thumb typing. So I want to take that Rhino and I want to change it. So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to point this out with a pointer, but because you can't see my hand, I'm going to hold my thumb or finger, or whatever you want, on the space bar of the keyboard, on the on-screen keyboard. When that happens, you'll see the keyboard change, and I'll describe it when it happens, and then I will be able to move this insertion point around by taking my finger or thumb, whatever is holding on the spacebar, and moving it around. So this will become a touchpad. So let me move the pointer aside and now go through that. I'm going to hold my finger on the spacebar. Did you see how the keyboard changed? All the keycaps disappeared. Now, and if you look at the insertion point, it's no longer blinking and it's a little larger, and I can move it around. So I want it to go right beyond that O, and I let go, and there it is. And now it's flashing there. I want to delete that and put in thumb, Thumb. There it is. Now let's go back. Bessie cakes. What are Bessie cakes? Oh, that's supposed to be mistakes. My hand slid off. So I did the same thing there. I held the spacebar down until the keycaps disappeared and the keyboard became a touchpad. I moved my finger around and I've got full access. I'm moving around down at the bottom with the keycaps, where the keyboard is, but the cursor is moving up with the text. I take it to Bessie Cakes. I delete it. And I put in mistakes. Oops. And there it is. And web should be when. So one more time. Hold the spacebar, slide the cursor where I need it, let go, backspace, in. That's it. So remember, you can use that technique to correct mistakes anywhere on the iPhone or iPad, not just in notes. I hope that seeing this demonstrated has been useful to you. This has been a Tech Demos for You video. I'm Bill Wilberg. Have a best day.